Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to create a new game profile in iBuyPower's Magic application, which is a multi-touch advanced gaming and interface control application that links the game to the multi-touch display. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's head over to Profile, New Profile. In our example, I'm going to show you how to deal with Supreme Commander 2. And in order for Magic to work with the game profile has to be linked to the game executable. As you can see, I've already linked it before to the executable, so remember the last folder I was at. So hit OK. So after it's linked, you create the game profile. You're gonna want to set the gestures, but in order to set the gestures, you're gonna have to know the game itself. You may have to load the game up, go into the options menu, look at the key bindings to know what keys can be used for what gesture and so on. For now, let's set everything default. Okay. Since I've already know this game, I kind of know what to set already. For the tap, I'm going to leave it as default. For the alternate, I'm going to have it do a right click, a mouse right click. Now, in order for the alternate to work, you have to set the alternate toggle. In my case, I'm going to use the control key. So when I hit the control key and tap the screen, it'll do a mouse right click. Let's head over to pan. For the default action for pan, I am going to set it to the up, down, left, right keys, so I can move around the screen using the panning gesture. For the alternate, I am going to set the alternate toggle, but leave it as Windows default. So when I hit the control and use the pan on the screen, it'll actually open up that unit selection screen, so I can select a group of units in the game. I don't need to set the zoom for this game because the zoom gesture already works with the game natively. Rotate, I will need to set, and in the game has insert and delete as the rotate to rotate your view on the battlefield. Two-finger tap, we can set it to whatever you want. We can do another right click, double click. We'll just set it to right click for now. So that's basically the basics of setting a new game profile in Magic. But I know some of you may have some issues finding the game executable itself, so let me give you a tip. First thing you want to do is you want to start the game and you want to come out of the game without exiting. So once you have the game loaded up, you can either Windows key out or Alt tab out, and as you can see, I already have Supreme Commander 2 running in the background. So once you Windows key or Alt tab out of the game, right click on taskbar, start task manager, and you can see the game running right here. Now you right click on that, go to process, and you can see the executable for the game is highlighted. Right click on that, open file location, and it gives you the exact file you need to link Magic to. And then so you can just look at the top of the path here and know where to go. Alrighty folks, happy gaming!